Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing my very first Rolex watch with you guys. In fact, it is my very first luxury watch, period. So I am super excited, especially because it is in the exact combination that I wanted. Rolex watches have become so difficult to obtain in the last couple of years especially. And I mean, classic models used to be a little bit easier to come by, especially in the latest models. But lately, anything from Rolex has been so difficult to get from the boutiques. So I'm so happy that I've got this piece. But I also have another fun unboxing to share with you guys, and I'm especially happy to share this with you because there is going to be a giveaway of this exact same prize. So this portion of the video is actually sponsored by Karma. They have kindly gifted me with this beautiful Easter gift pack, and they are currently hosting a giveaway to give out this exact prize for you guys as well. So I am going to show you exactly what's inside. I haven't unboxed this yet, so I'm just as excited as you to find out what is inside. But I know that the prizes are really amazing. So if you want to win one of these Easter prizes, make sure you go over to Instagram and follow Karma's Instagram account, which I'll leave on screen, and there'll be a post telling you exactly how to enter this giveaway. And if you guys don't already know, Karma is an app and a Chrome extension that uses clever technology to alert you every time your saved item goes on a sale, which I'll tell you a little bit more about Karma after the Easter egg unboxing. So let me open this up. How fun is the packaging? So you can see the 4 Easter eggs. This packaging is apparently made with a 3D print with environmentally friendly materials. There was also a little postcard that basically tells you everything that you need to know about what amazing things Karma can do for your shopping. As you can see, it says everything on trend, missed the last pair, no sweat. We'll let you know when it's back in stock. Add to Easter's here wish list. And then on the right hand side, it says everything on sale. My heart is saying yes, but my rent check is saying not so fast. And then it says set a price drop alert. Feeling lucky, we're finding the perfect coupon for you. So go to karmanow.com and it's yours. Now let's open this up. Here we are. Oh my goodness. How adorable are these Easter egg tins? I love them so much. They're so cute. So let's get into the first egg. So I got into it, and we have a beautiful Jo Malone perfume. I love Jo Malone. So this one is in the Basil and Neroli cologne in the 30ml size. These sizes are so handy for your little handbag, so you can have a perfume on the go. And because these eggs are so cute, I'm just gonna leave them behind me. Let's get into the second egg. There was a little star confetti, and I see something from Chanel. We have the beautiful camellia sticker there, and what do we have here? We have a cute little lipstick. There we are. This is like the perfect deep mauvey color that will just go with every complexion. And in the other box, we have a little sample of the Lift cream. This will come in so handy for traveling. I just love taking these little tubes when I'm traveling, which I am going to be traveling soon, which I will share all about that in a future video. Let's get into the third egg. Oh my goodness, this is just so much fun. Okay, and over here we have a little, wow, it's like a little bag. How adorable. It's a little bag from Longchamp. So it's this cute little mesh bag. So it comes with a little top handle, the signature leather opening there. You can put your phone and a few little bits and pieces. It comes with a crossbody shoulder strap as well. It's so stinking cute and adorable. And finally, let's get into our last egg. And in our last egg, wow, we have something from Ray-Ban. I have a feeling this is one of those foldable sunglasses which actually I've been looking for. They are, oh my goodness, I am so excited. So it comes in that little sunglass case, and these are the cool foldable sunnies. These will be so great for your little mini bags as well, because you know, we've all had those times when we feel like taking our sunnies and we want to be able to fit them in our bags, but the bags are just way too mini these days. So Wow, that is so cool. I've actually been wanting a pair of these, so that is perfect. And this is in the shape that is pretty universal, I believe. So yeah, they actually suit me as well. And I am sure, you know, it'll suit anyone else out there. So look how cool that is. So excited. I mean, I'm just obsessed. Look at this. How compact, just too clever. As you can see, these prices are just amazing. I actually didn't expect them to be so cool. So if you want to win one of these Easter prize boxes, do make sure you head over to Karma's Instagram and follow the instructions there. I believe there'll only be a few days to enter as of this video going live. So I suggest that you head over there straight away to enter. I mean, it's pretty easy to enter. What can you possibly lose? Look at these amazing gifts. So a little more about Karma. Like I said, it is a free Chrome extension that you can install on your computer, and it also comes in a mobile app as well that lets you save items that are on your shopping wish list and alerts you whenever these items go on a sale. So if you are a savvy shopper, you can save quite a lot of money. I've shopped through Karma so many times before for things like Zimmermann dresses. The items that I know that can go on sale, I try not to pay full price for. But so basically you can have your wish list organized into your Karma account. So to do that, you just need to download Karma. Once you download and install it and create your own account, Karma can help you in 3 main ways. So the first way is that whenever you are shopping on an online retailer, upon checkout, Karma will automatically scan the whole web for a possible coupon code that can be applied for your transaction. So you don't have to waste time looking on the internet for a coupon code, and most times those codes don't even work. You can also organize your wish list items into different lists on your Karma account, so you can have your shopping list organized. As you can see, I have a few lists on my Karma account. It just helps you stay organized and really just stick to your wish list items that you really want. And it can really prevent you from impulse shopping as well, because you know that you're going to save your items first and try to get a discount. And like I said, for all of these items that are saved onto your wish list and dashboard, anytime there's a price drop on these items, Karma will notify you so you don't ever miss a discount or a price drop. And another way that Karma helps you save money on your shopping is via its cashback feature. So they've partnered up with many retailers. So whenever you shop on those retailers, you do earn a cashback. So make sure you check out my link to Karma. If you haven't done so already, download Karma, check it out so you have it installed in time for Easter sales, because Karma, it's yours. All right, moving on to my Rolex unboxing. I did actually get this a few months back for my birthday. So it's obviously not a true unboxing, but I did film the original unboxing quickly on my phone, so I am going to sort of leave that on screen so you can see how it comes packaged and everything, because it is just so beautiful. And I have to say, I've already worn the watch quite a few times because it just goes with everything. So it's more of a reveal. I just haven't had the chance to share this with you guys all. As you know, I have been quite busy lately, but I finally get to share this with you, which I'm so happy about. All right, we've got the quintessential Rolex green box here, and ta-da! To show you guys, my brand new Rolex watch is a Datejust in the size 31 millimeters, which is like the diameter of the watch face. And the one that I picked is actually in the beautiful two-tone oyster steel and rose gold. I think the lighting is completely washing the watch out, so I'll try and insert some close-up footages of the watch. It's just stunning. So to go over exactly what the watch is, like I said, it is Datejust 31 millimeters in the diameter, in the fluted bezels. So it doesn't have it in diamonds, but it does have these beautiful fluted polished rose golds, and it is just so sparkly. And I feel like the fluted bezel shines and shimmers much more. It just glistens so much, even more than the diamond bezel. So I am so happy with my decision to go with this, because it is also a lot cheaper than the diamond bezel version. And I went for the one with the diamond accents on the hours instead of the numbers, and I went with a Jubilee bracelet. I also had to get quite a few links taken out And for those of you who ask me, my wrist is like a size 15, so 15 centimeters. I believe it's a little bit under, like 14.5 or something, but Rolex measured my watch to 15 centimeters, so it actually fits quite perfectly. Which, oh my goodness, it just looks so amazing with everything, and it even looks so perfect with the Zimmermann dress that I'm wearing at the moment. The Rolex rose gold is just so subtle. It's actually not very brassy at all, so it works really well as a two-tone against the steel. I just think it is just the most stunning and so versatile for me. And in the box, I just wanted to quickly show you, the watch was just sitting there, and it's got a little compartment on the top there. I actually was looking for where the extra links were because I just couldn't find it anywhere, and then I realized I have a little secret compartment up there. I mean, it's not really a secret. So I've got my extra links there in case I need them if my wrist gets bigger in the future. And then you've got the authenticity certificate, card, care booklet, all of that. And a little card holder. Actually, you could actually use this as a card holder if you wanted to. So yeah, that is a really nice touch, and that is basically how the watch comes. I did a video last year about my ultimate long-term forever luxury wish list, and I talked about 5 items that I would ideally love to have in my lifetime that are going to be forever items that are going to just be serving my wardrobe really well for year after year. One of the items that I talked about in that video was actually a two-tone Rolex watch, and I've always wanted the rose gold because for my complexion and for my liking, I feel the yellow gold is a little bit too clashy. So you guys know that all of my Cartier jewelry is actually in the rose gold. So I knew that I wanted rose gold, and I always loved the Rolex two-tone because with the two-tone, it just goes with everything. So my engagement ring is actually in the platinum setting, and my wedding band is going to be white gold as well. And I intend to wear the watch on the left hand because I'm right-handed, and I just feel like, you know, it just goes so well with any sort of white gold platinum jewelry. But even if I were to wear like a gold or rose gold jewelry on the left hand, I mean, that also goes really well. So I just knew that I always wanted the two-tone, not to mention the two-tone obviously is a little bit, you know, cheaper than if you wanted to go full gold or full yellow gold. So for those of you who may be interested in getting a Rolex watch, you guys know that it has become increasingly more difficult to get even a classic model. Especially I find in the last couple of years, it's just become so difficult to find any nice watch from a retail store. So this particular watch I actually got for my birthday a few months back, like I mentioned, and I actually had to wait quite a few months for this watch to arrive in the boutique. So this particular watch was purchased from Kennedy Boutique in Sydney. They are located on Castlereagh Street, and the boutique is actually labeled Rolex. So if you do live in Sydney, you probably walked past it quite a few times, but I had to put my name down like in the middle of last year, so this watch took months to arrive, and I was actually quite specific with what I wanted with the sales associate, and I am so glad that my sales associate could actually get me basically exactly what I wanted. So a lot of ladies actually go for the larger one in the 36 millimeters, but I wanted a more classic size. I know larger watches are a little bit more trending at the moment, but one, I wanted a timeless look, but I didn't want something too small. And two, my wrist isn't very big, so I thought the 31 still had enough of a presence on my wrist. And I'm really happy that my first piece of luxury watch is in the combination that is going to be the most versatile for my wardrobe and my jewelry collection that I wear day to day. Because at the end of the day, I believe really highly in cost per wear. So whenever we make these big investments, I always think of how many times can I actually wear this thing that I'm going to put down so much money for, and also how seamlessly is it going to blend in with my existing wardrobe and my existing collections. So I already know, because I've had this watch for quite a few months, that I am going to get the cost per wear down on this over the many years that I'm going to own it. And it is a classic style that is never going to go out of fashion. And I know the Rolex, they just can be a little bit loud and a little bit like in your face, but I actually quite like the combination that I went with. You know, like I mentioned, the rose gold does definitely tone it down a little bit. Yeah, so basically I am really excited to have this in my collection. I know it's going to be a forever piece. If you guys are looking for a watch, or if you have any questions about my watch or Rolex shopping in general, do leave them in the comments below. Once again, don't forget to check out Karma through the link in the description section below, and head over to Karma's Instagram to enter the amazing Easter giveaway. Thank you again to Karma for this lovely gift and also for sponsoring part of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me today, and I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys!